been about 30 minutes since we had our birthday cake yummy. I am digging the vibes today. Very chill, very hungry, very giggly. We love it here. Get you some chili limon. Oh, this is such a good bag. Look at that, so much flavor. I started watching this new show on Netflix. My mom told me to watch it, The Travelers. Or just Travelers. Like, I'm 20 minutes in, maybe 10? I'm like, oh, what's gonna happen? It feels so good outside today. I'm sorry, Penelope might be a little neglected today. All of these are good chips, y'all. What?